Hi everybody, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. Now we are going to discuss our linear equations in one variable, also known as simple equations. And this is a special category question, nothing but multi-correct answer question. What do you mean by multi? More than one, maybe two options, three options or four options may satisfy for the given question. So in the previous days or in the examinations, whatever you are writing, completed examinations or in the board examination, fill in the blanks or match the following or choose a correct answer, etc. But here in the competitive level, whatever you are going to write various Olympiads, Quest, RMO and also ASRO examinations in the school level, etc. And IIT JEE Mains, MSET, TS and AP, you are going to get this type of questions, nothing but multi-correct answer questions. So ABC may be the option or BCD may be the option or BDA etc. like this, or only BC or only CD. So such type of questions are called multi-correct answer questions. Let us go through the question now. So the integral value of k such that the equation 11x minus 2 is equal to kx plus 15 has positive integer solutions for x, then x is, then we have to determine the value of x. So let us start now. Consider 11x minus 2 is equal to kx plus 15. Mark as equation 1. So consider the x terms to LHS and the constants to RHS. I can write it as now 11x minus kx is equal to 15 plus 2. So taking x as common, I can write it as 11 minus k and here it is 17. You see what here? X is equal to now 17 by 11 minus k. Now what is our intention? To get the integer solutions for x. Integer solutions they said. So nothing but you are going to get 2 solutions or 3 or total 4 solutions that we have to determine. The integral value of k, nothing but k assumes the values of integers, negative, positive or 0, that we have to consider. So up to now it's very easy to handle the basic steps. Now to get the value of x here, k takes the integral value of integral values, nothing but here since the numerator is 17, so and the denominator is 11 minus k. So here one more condition, that 11 minus k is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, k value will be 11. Okay, so it is undefined. So therefore to pick up the k value, to get our x value, we have to pick up the k value. So k values, it may be negative, positive or 0. So nothing but, if you observe very carefully, here 11 is a prime number and 17 also a prime number. Here if you consider k negative values, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 or minus 6. So let us consider minus 6. Just like trial and error method. So 11 minus of minus plus, so 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 by 17 gives you 1. 1 is a here integral solutions for x. Okay. So therefore k is equal to minus 6 implies x is equal to now 17 by here 11 minus of minus 6 gives you 17 by 17, nothing but here it is 1. So x is equal to 1. That is one thing. So 1x value. Let us check for more. It may be negative, positive or 0. So one more. So here we have taken negative. For various negatives, only for k is equal to minus 6 we will get a x as an integer solution. So let us think more for positive values of k. Nothing but, so again consider k is equal to get here k is equal to 10 we will take, because 17 k is equal to 10 in the sense 11 minus 10 gives you 1. So if k is equal to 10, therefore 2 implies I can write it as x is equal to 17 by 11 minus k. So what is our k value here? We have taken x is equal to 17 by 11 minus 10 gives you here 17 by 1 implies x is equal to 17. So think for more values. Suppose if it is 0, k is 0, 17 by 11 you are going to get nothing but here it is a fraction. So but what is our x value? Positive integer solutions. Okay, nothing but x should be our positive solutions only. So by trial and error method or hit and trial, whatever the k values you are going to consider other than minus 6 and 10, you are not going to get the x values other than here 1 and 17 respectively. So by seeing the options here it is our main important point to proceed our problem, and here important condition because k never be 11 because something by here 17 by 11 minus 11 is 0 undefined. Here our x value is 1 by taking k is equal to minus 6. Okay, just like trial and error method, minus 2 or minus 7 or minus 6 etc. For k is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 1, and here k is equal to 10, x is equal to 17. So here I can write finally conclusion, nothing but if k is equal to minus 6 implies our x value is 1. If k is equal to 10 implies x value is 17. So what is our final solution? Whether to take x values or k values, nothing but go through the question once again. As first find the integral value of k. So we had to choose the values of k, integral values of k, such that to get the values of x. So not the k values, only the x values. So here finally our x values are x is equal to 1 and 17. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 17. So stands for each options A and the D. So A comma D. So in this way here it is multi-correct answer questions. So in this way we can overcome the options. If it is apart from A and D, if you are going to choose at least B or at least C, your answer is treated as wrong. So please viewers and the various examination aspirants who are going to crack the various entrance examinations, go through the options carefully for multi-correct answer question. So I hope so this is the best experience for you for the multi-correct answer questions regarding linear equations in one variable. So please viewers, after watching the video, like, share, subscribe and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.